Hello everyone, this is part 2 video. In my first part, I told you about the 25 pages of Mathematic Learner Book Grade 3. So let's continue to the topic. Last time I start geometry and discussed about 2D shape. Let's continue 3D shapes. Question number 1. Let's investigate which of these net will fold to make a cube. Which of these nets will fold to make a cube. So you can make like this shape on a paper and cut from the corner and need to make a cube. What are the shape of the cube? It's same like this. So you need to make a shape for cube using different net, or you can say nets of paper. So fold it like in this shape to make a cube. So which of these net will fold to make a cube? This one possible, you can make it. This is left side, this is right side, this is upper side, and this is from here up. You make it up, and from here to down. So you can make a cube in simple word. You can make a cube in this shape. What about the next? The second shape, it's also you can make it a cube. The third one, you cannot see this one. No. The third one, you cannot make a cube. So cross this one. This you can make a cube. This one, you can if you fold it, you can make a cube. So try to cut a paper same like this shape and make different color. So you can easily fold it. This one also, other you can make all of them cube. Yes, this one also. Only this shape, because there is no upper portion. These are the sides. But other shape you can make a cube shape. Short question. Draw and name 3D shape. I have 6 faces and 8 vertex. I have 12 edges and my faces are all the same shape. What am I? I have 6 faces and 8 vertex. So just I show you the shape. Yeah, it is a cube shape. How it's 6 faces? 1, 2, 3. 1 on the back, 1 on the left, and 1 down. So 6 faces. Faces, this complete. It's you can say it's the face. This complete shape, it is a face. Like this, we have 6 faces. And what about corner? There are how many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner here for vertex, and 4 corner here. 1, 2, 3, and 1 down behind. So there are 4 corner. After this, sides. How many sides are here? Just make a cube and I show you. It's easy for drawing. And draw a cube. Not exactly, but little bit. So you can find the faces, their vertex and edges. So faces in front of, you can say there are 8 faces. 1 front, 1 back, and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 up and down. Six faces and 8 vertex. Vertex mean corners. So there are 8 corners. 1 this one, second this one, third this one, and 4 here. 4 on this side and 4 on this side. 8 vertex. 12 edges. Edges mean side. These lines. These are edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up, like this, 4 down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 and then up to down, 9, 10, and 11, this one, and 12, this one. So there are 12 edges. So this is a cube, and all my faces are same shape. It is a cube, because in cuboid it's different, have a rectangle shape, 4 shape rectangle. So this is a cube, this is a cube. So we write here cube. I have 6 faces and 8 vertex, same like cube. I have 12 edges, same like cube, but 4 of my faces rectangle. So this is not cube, it is a cuboid because of 4 rectangle face. So you can write here cuboid. I have 3 faces and 0 vertex. I have 2 edges. I have 3 faces and 0 vertex. It means there is no vertex, no corner. I have 2 edges, 2 sides. 2 of my faces are same. 1 is curved. So what am I? It is a cylinder. Okay. There are 2 faces. 2 edges, and there is no vertex, no corner, 0 vertex. So it is a cylinder. And there are 3 faces, 1 up, 1 down, and 1 in front of. So it is a cylinder. Okay, part D. I have 5 faces and 6 vertices. I have 5 faces and 6 vertices. I have 9 edges. If you cut me in half, my end face will remain the same. 2 of my faces are triangular. The other 3 are rectangular. Triangular and rectangular, the combination of triangular prism. It is a triangular prism. So I show you the triangular prism. So you can see it. I have 5 faces. This one triangular prism, 1, 2, 3, 1 behind and 1 down, because this is a triangle, same like this down. And rectangular face, 3, 1, 2, and 1 behind. So 3 faces. So in total 5 faces, 6 vertex and 9 edges. So this is a triangular prism. What am I? I am a triangular prism. After this, I have one smooth surface, 0 and 0 vertex, 0 edge. So in simple, no edges, no vertex, it is a circle or sphere. In 3D shape, we are saying it's a sphere. In 2D shape, circle. So we write here a sphere, S-P-H-E-R, sphere. I have 2 faces. I have 2 faces. So I have I have 2 faces. I have 1 vertex. I have 1 edge. What am I? With 2 faces and 1 vertex, it is a cone. So we write here cone. So let me show you the shapes. There are 2 edges, you can see here. So about cone, I have one vertex, I have one edge. So what am I? Two faces. Two faces, this one. So two faces, one here and one here in front of us. So this is a curved face. So we can consider, so these are the two faces. So it is a cone. What about cylinder? This is the shape of cylinder. Triangular prism, cuboid. Sphere, like a circle, but in 3D shape. Question number 2. Look at the properties of 3D shapes. Name of the shape: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and triangular pyramid. So number of straight edges. Number of straight edges for cube it's 12 and cuboid also 12. But curved edges 0. There there is not any curved face in cube, even in cuboid. So 0, 0. What about number of corners? Both cube and cuboid, they have 8 corners. Does it roll? No, there is no any roll shape. Yeah, does it stick? Yeah, both of them stick. What about sphere? Sphere easy, because mostly there isn't any straight edge. So 0, 0, 0. No corner, no curved edge, and no straight edge. Does it roll? Yeah, it's simple. It is a roll shape. And does it stay? No. What about cylinder? Number of straight edges? No, there is no straight edge, 0. And number of curved edges? Yeah, it has 2. And what about number of corner? 0. Does it roll? Yeah, cylinder roll from sides. So it is a roll shape. Does it stick? No, it is, you can say no, but it's only on the base, it is, you can say, a stick shape. Triangular prism. What about straight edges? It has 6 straight edges, and there is a number of curved edges, 0. There is no any curved edge. Number of corner, 4 corners. And does it roll? No, it's not a roll shape, regular pyramid. And does it stick? You can also say no, it is not stick. Okay, what what do your results? No need to do this. Let's move to the next page. More 3D shape. Construct a 6 square based pyramid. Question number 1. For each shape, write whether it is a prism or a pyramid. You can easily find here the pyramid shape. Shape of pyramid. There are only 2 shapes, one this one and this. These 2 shape of pyramid. All these prism. This one, this one, this one, this one. A, B, and D and F. Okay, these are prism shapes. And C and E, pyramid shape. Next question. Copy and complete the table. Copy and complete the table. Shape name: cube, cuboid, triangular prism, and square base pyramid. And there need to draw cube, cuboid. Already done it on the last page. Triangular prism also, and square base. In the base there is a square in the base, and up it's like a, you can say, like a pyramid. Okay, how many faces? Triangular faces. There are in cube and cuboid 0. There are no any triangular faces in cube and cuboid. So in both we can write here 0. Okay, after this rectangular faces, yeah, it has. There are 6, and there are also 6. Cube and cuboid mostly same. Rectangular faces, and edges, yeah, both have 12 edges. Edges, you can also say sides. And corners or vertices, 8, both. So what about triangular prism? Triangular prism, The shape, okay, after this triangular face, yeah, it has two triangular face. And is there rectangular face? Yeah, it has three rectangular faces. And edges, there are nine edges, and also it has a six corner. After this square base pyramid, yeah, shape. After this triangular faces, there are four triangular faces. So we write here four. Rectangular, only one. In a square base pyramid, rectangular face, only one, down on the base. And what about edges? Eight. And corner, yeah, it has five corner, five in the base, a four base and one up. This is a square base pyramid. Let's check the corner. One, two, three. This is the back one, four, and one up. So five corners. And what about the sides, the edges? One, two, three, four, five, and then one on the back, six, and then seven and eight. So eight sides or edges. So it's written here, square base pyramid. We wrote it here, eight sides and five corners. Triangular face, or this is on the base, you can see here, this is a triangular face. And rectangular face, sorry, yeah, triangular faces, there are four triangular face. One here, two, one this side on the back and one this side on the back. So four triangular face and rectangular face down in the base. And like this, this is a triangular prism. Let's check how many corners here. One, two, three here and three here, six corners. So there are six corners. And what about edges or sides? How many sides here? One, two, three, four. Four side here. Five, six, seven, eight, nine. So nine edges or sides in a triangular prism. Okay, let's move to the next question. Symmetric line symmetry in the alphabet. Copy this letter, make the lines of make a line of symmetry. First of all, we need to find the letter don't have line of symmetry. What is a line of symmetry? Which make equally both sides. A line which can divide a shape into equally two parts. So let's check here. A, we can make it B, C, D, E, F. We cannot make a symmetric line. And G also we cannot divide into two equal parts. After this, J also we cannot make it. K we can make. There is a line of symmetry. We can make one line of symmetry. What about L? We cannot divide it into two equal parts. M, N, and we can no, M we can, but N not possible. O possible. P no. Q, R not possible. And after this, the next, I need to do it again. Q, P, not possible, and not possible, L, no, J, no, F, G. Okay, after this S, we can make a line of symmetry, no, not possible, T, yes, we can make it, U, V, possible, Y, not possible, Y, no, we can make it, we can make a straight line, a vertical line, and Z not possible. Okay, so let me show you why we cannot make a symmetric line. Because when we are making a symmetric line like this, both sides are not equal. You can see up and down, it's not equal. Okay, and if we make vertically a line, so you can also see we cannot make both sides equal. Both parts are equal, left side and right side. So we cannot make a symmetric line. These were which I cut it. Okay, now let's start from A. Can we make a symmetric line? Yes, we can make it. Both sides should be equal, from up, from down. So left side as it is on the right side. So there is a line of symmetry. If we want to draw like this on the other side, so like this, not possible. So there is only one line of symmetry. And here also one line of symmetry. C also, we can make it. D, we can also make the line of symmetry. Both sides should be equal. The up and down portion. E, we can also make a line of symmetry. Up and down portion should be equal. Like this. H, we can make it. There are two lines of symmetry in H. H and I think I, we can make it. Yes, there are also two lines of symmetry, H and I. And other have one line of symmetry. K, we can make it. M, not horizontally, vertically. O, we can make it. But O are more than two. Okay, more than two lines of symmetry in O. What about T? We can make not horizontally, vertically. We can make line of symmetry. U, we can make a line of symmetry also. V also. W also a line of symmetry. X, there are two lines of symmetry in X, and Y also one line of symmetry. So there are, you can see here, one line of symmetry, no line of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, and more than two lines of symmetry. Only one alphabet it has more than two lines of symmetry. So let's solve the question answer. Which of these letters have one line of symmetry? Yeah, mostly letter like A, B, C, D, E, K, M, T, U, V, W, and Y. Which of these letters have two lines of symmetry? Only three capital letters, H, I, and X. Which of these letters have more than two lines of symmetry? Only one letter, it's O. Which of these letters have no line of symmetry? Yeah, there are some letters there are no line of symmetry, or they don't have any line of symmetry. So like F, F, G, J, L, M, sorry, N, P, Q, R, S, and the last, Z. Okay, question number 2 part. How many different words can you make using letters with only one line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry. So we are using the letters, which have only one line of symmetry, like A, B, C, D, E. So we can make a different word. We can make it like we can make bed, B, E, D. These are all one line of symmetry. Bed, and like this we can make bad. These are all only one line of symmetry. like this. We can make way with one line of symmetry. Letters. Can you make any word with the letter with two lines of symmetry? There are three letters: H, I, and V. So if we HIV, if we arrange these, we cannot make any proper letter. HIV, IVH, VIH. There is no any letter like this. We cannot make any word. Sorry, we cannot make any word from these three letters. Maybe short form, but not a complete word. So we can write here, no, we cannot make any word. Here, here is a half, a shape, and its line of symmetry. Copy the diagram. Yeah, on the same, exactly on the other side, you can make it and can complete the shape. So this is exactly a line of symmetry. So both sides should be equal. So let's do this first one. Should we start from the center, from this side, and check how many you are going on the left side. Just to choose another color. Okay. One box is, second box is corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And here corner. And after this, go downward. Should be as it is, okay? Only the one box, end of the one box. This one, the last, okay? And like this, match from here to here. So you can see the complete shape. After this, need to color the same yellow. So that's why then we can say this is a line of symmetry, because both sides are equal, both parts are equal. Same like this, you're matching this one with the corner. Should we start from the center so you can easily measure it, and also check how many boxes. 1, 2, 3, the third end. So you should start from here. 1, 2, 3, the third end, and like this also. This one, and also color it the same. This shape you need to draw on the other side. Make this line of symmetry. Copy the diagram and reflect the shape in the mirror image. One are the steps, routes. Okay, so how mouse or this hippo moving from this corner to this corner to take the water. Go west, go east, go north and south. These are the steps. Okay, Meyer. The next topic about Meyer. You can see here a game. Play this game with your friend. You will need some 1 cent, 5 cent, and a paper clip. Navigate. Let's start the question answer. Look at the game board on the previous page. How much will you have if you how much will you have if you covered 1 5-cent coin and 5 and 3 1-cent coin? So there is a 1 5-cent coin. This is a 5-cent coin. And what about 3 1-cent coin? It means we have 3 1-cent coin. This is 1-cent coin, this is 1-cent coin, and this is 1-cent coin. So there are 1 5-cent coin and 3 1-cent coin. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much in total we have the coins? We have 8 cent coin. So we write here 8 cent. 8 cent coin. Like this. Question 1 part. If you cover all the coins of your side of the board, how much would be there? So you can see on the board, playing board, this is one side. Maybe you are the player 1 or you are the player 2. So on one side, how much total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 20 cents. So any side, if you're on if you are on one side, player 1, or if you are player 2. So on each side there are 20. So if you cover all of the coins of your side, so how much would be there? 20 coins or 20 cents coin. Question C, how many different way can you make 10 cent? 10 cent, because we have only two kinds of coin, 5 cent and 1 cent. So how many different way you can make 10 cent coin? So they are easy. If we make two 5 cent coin, so 5 plus 5 10. Or if we make five 1 cent coin and one 5 cent coin, so it is also 10. So there are different way we can make 10. Or if we are making all, if we take all 1 cent coin, 10 1 cent coin, it mean 10. Then 1 cent coin equal to 10. Question number 2, cinema ticket cost 3.45, $3.45 or 4.45 each. Susie buy 4 tickets. How much does she pay? How much does she pay? So one ticket cost $3.45. So same like this. If Susie buy 4 tickets, so easy you can plus it 3.45 4 times or multiply it if you know multiplication. So both answer correct. So let's do by multiply. 3.45 multiply by 4, because she buy 4 tickets. 5 multiply 4 or 4 multiply 5, 20. 2 up carry. 4 times 16, 17, 18. 1 up carry. And 4 3 times 12 plus 1, 13. So 13.80. You can also plus it 4 times. 4 times 3.45 plus 3.45 plus 3.45 plus 3.45. Or you can multiply it. So what is the answer? $13.80. $13.80. This is the answer. So Susie buy 4 tickets. How much cost? $13.80. 880. 13.8 you can say. Josh buy a box of popcorn and 2 milkshakes. The price for one box 1.85. So we write as it is 1.85. And she Josh buy 2 milkshake. So the price for one box, one milkshake packet, it's 1.25. So Josh buys 2, so we need to write 2 times. Plus it in simple. When we are doing plus, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 1 up carry. Okay, 1 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. 1 up carry again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4.35. So how much does Josh spend altogether? So spend $4.35. Using coin of the same value each time, how many different way can you make 15 cents? So there are different ways, same like the question here. How many different way can you make 10 cents? Same like this. You can take 3 5-cent coin or 2 5-cent coin, 1 cent, 5 1-cent coin. Okay, so different way you can make 15. And also in the next question 50 cent. If you have 1 cent and 5-cent coin, how many different way you can make 50 cents? So there are different ways, more than 10. Next question, group of camper were going to an island. On the first day, 10 went over and 2 came back. On the second day, so we need to write here, make a table, small table. how many days? 7 days or 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, more than 7. It's okay. Let's check how many in the question asking. Okay, on the first day, 2 went. 10. Sorry, 10 went. So 10 went to the island, and 2 came back. 2 came back. So 2 came back. So how many on the island? So 8. It's mean 8 on the island and 2 come back. On the second day, this is the first day. Second day, 12 went. 12 went to the island, and 3 came back. On the second day, 3 came back. So how many on the island? 9 on the island and 3 came back. And if this pattern continue, how many would be on the island at the end of the week? End of the week means for 7 days. So this is for 2 days. So this pattern, it's the normal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 for 7 days. Okay. Okay, and this is on the first day 10, on the second day 12, on the third day 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22. So 22. Okay, 14 went to the island, 4 come back. So it means there are 10 like this. 16 and 5 came back, 11, then 12, then 13, because we are continue a pattern. It's 8, 9, 10. It means there difference of one number. Okay, so we need to minus from 27. Okay, so 14. So now the question is, how many would have left? How many would have left? How many would be on the island at the end of the week, and how many would have left? Okay, this one on the island, and this one who left the island each day. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 27, 27 plus 8, 35. So 35 in total. Okay, they left. 35 left the island. How many on the island? This need to plus 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19, 27. 19 plus 8, 27. So 7 here coming, and 1 up carry. Okay, 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2 carry. Yes, I need to write here. 27 it's coming. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77. So 77 on the island. So we can write here 77 on the island, and how many left? 35 left the island. Question number 2. Plan a day out to last 10 hours from beginning to end. You can do more than one thing in a day. Use the information. How many different days can you plan? This is a learner answer. So you can do it by yourself, making plan for going out and how much time you're spending out. Question number 3. What's the time? Write down the time show on each of these clock. The big, you can see here, the big hand and small hand. The small hand, it's telling us about hours. So we don't need to change as it is written. So the small hand telling us about hours. So what is the time here? It's 3. Even it is near to 4, but not on 4. We are not considering it's 4 o'clock. So it is a little bit behind until here. It's 3, starting from here until here. So it's the hour 3. because the small hand telling us about hours, and the big hand, this one, telling us about minutes. So we don't write as it is 4 here, we need to multiply. For big hand, any number we need to multiply with 5. So 4 multiply 5 is 20. So what is the time? 3:20. Same like this, what's the time here? It is not on 7, so 6, 8 multiply 5, 640. We need to multiply for big hand, for minutes, we need to multiply the number with 5. Any number where you see the big hand. So the time is 6:40. And like this, what's the time here? It's 12, yes, not on 1. 6 multiply 5, 30. So it's the time here, 12:30 on this go. What about the other parts? It's already written 9, 10, 12, 5, and 15, and 5, 15. After this, for each clock, draw clock to show the time 10 minutes before. 10 minutes before, 10 minutes before, and 5 minutes after. Simple. 10 minutes before, this is 9:10. So before 10 minutes, what's the time? So go back 10 minutes. So it is 9 o'clock. Before 10 minutes, it's 9 o'clock. And here, before 10 minutes, it's 12:05. 12:05. Before 10 minutes. Now it's 15. Before 10 minutes, it's 12:05. And what about 5 minutes after? 5 minutes after, so it's easy, just add 5. So if it's no 9 o'clock, 9:10, so after 5 minutes, 9:15. And same like this, it's 12:15 now, so after 5 minutes, it's 12:20. Same like this, all other parts. So student can do by themselves the other parts. Let's move to the next question. Time and growth. Sharks can continuously regrow teeth throughout their lifetime. As one row of teeth wears out, the next row moves forward to replace them. If there are 38 teeth in a row and the front row of teeth are replaced every week in a growing shark, how many teeth will a shark lose in 1 month? So we are talking about 1 month. So look, starting from the question from here. So if there are 38 teeth in a row and the front row teeth are replaced every week, how many days in 1 week? 7. Okay, so how many teeth will a shark lose in 1 month? In 1 month. So in 1 month, we know there are 4 weeks. There are 4 weeks, and in 1 week, every week you can say replacing teeth or replacement of teeth. So this one no need. Just 38 teeth in 1 week. Every week it's replaced. So 38 multiplied by 4. So we get our answer. So let's multiply 38 multiplied by 4. 8 4 times 32. 3 up carry. And 4 3 times 12, 13, 14, 15. 152. 152. 152. So it's mean 152 teeth every month replaced. So we write here 152 teeth. In March Joy planted a pepper seed in a pot in his shed. At the beginning of June, he put the pepper plant in its pot in the garden. On that same day, he planted a bean in a different pot. 10 days later, the bean plant was 1 centimeter. 10 days later, so it's mean on the 10 day or after 10 days, he start to measure. Okay, Josh measured his pepper plant. It was 38 centimeter tall. It's mean after 10 days, or okay, it start measuring. Every morning, Josh measured his two plants. On the morning of the next day, the bean plant had grown another 2 centimeter. Each day, it has grown double the amount it has grown the first day. And on the first day, it is 1. So on the second day, 2. On the third day, or after third day, it is making double. So 2 plus 1, 3. This is on the second day. So first day it was 1 centimeter. On the second day, it's double. So 2 centimeter. 2 plus 1. Because this 1 centimeter we not skip it. So we plus it for on the second day it's 3 centimeter. Let's solve the question so you can easily understand. So now the question is, what height was the bean plant when you start measuring? On day 1. So it's written already here. After 10 days, we start measuring. So on the first day, the measurement of a plant 1 centimeter for bean plant. So it's written here as it is. You need to write down 1 centimeter tall. So on the first day, it is 1 centimeter. Okay. What about how tall was in the next day, day 2? We know the bean plant, it's double. The bean plant on the morning of the next day, bean plant had grown another 2 centimeter. So this is first he was 1 centimeter. On the next day, it's grow another 2 centimeter. So 1 here and 2 here. So 1 plus 2. Now it is 3 centimeter. Day 2. It is 3 centimeter. Because on the first day it was 1 centimeter when he measured after 10 days. On the first day, because he start measuring after 10 days. First 10 days he doesn't measure. So on the 11th, or you can say first day, it was 1 centimeter. On the second day, it's double, 2 centimeter. So when we are calculating, we need to calculate from down. Okay, now the plant is 2 plus 1, 3 centimeter. So we write here 3. What height was the pepper plant when Joy started measuring? When you are starting measuring, the height of pepper plant was 38. Okay, when he started measuring, it was 38 centimeter. And what about how tall was the bean plant on 4th day? So this is on 2nd day. On the 3rd day, it's make double. On 4th day, it's make more double, 8. Okay, because it's written here, the next day the bean plant had grown another 2 centimeter. Each day it had grown double the amount it is grown the day before. So it's make double. So total all this 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 4 days, because this is the first day, second day, third day, 4th day. So after 4 days, the bean plant, it's now 15 centimeter tall. Okay, on which day will the two plants be the same height? On which day the two plants will be the same height? Because this is a 35. After 10, it's growing upward. Josh measured his pepper plant and it was 38 centimeter tall. Every morning, Josh measured his two plants. It's also growing. So on which day it's a reach at the same point. So until 4 we know about the bean plant, but now we calculate about pepper plant. So pepper plant, the pepper plant grew 5 centimeter every day in not double. So this is on the first day it is 35 here, sorry 38, 38 first day. Then second day this one 38 plus 5, 43, 43. Then 43. If you cannot see here, I will write another place. This is a 43, and then on the third day it was 43 plus 5, 48. Then 48 plus 5, 52, 53, 53. Okay, until here it's not same, because it's not coming same. On which day it's coming same? Like this, it's growing up, it's coming on the sixth day, because 53, then 50, 58, and then 63 on the sixth day. And same like this, it's growing upward. This now 8, then 16, then 16, 32. Then it's coming 63 on the sixth day. There is no place, so if you calculate on the sixth day, they both come the same height. So we can write here 6, but this is the calculation method. You start from here. Every day plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Every day until you are not matching the both height. And it's also, this is now 8, then 16, then 32. Well, let me do it. So not make confusion. So now this is 8, then 16, and then 32. 32. We are not matching the number. We need to calculate plus this until here 15, 15 plus 16, 31, 31 plus 32. It's coming 63. If we plus all of these. So this plant now 63 centimeter after this is 6 days, okay? And what about this? This is 53, then 58, then 63, okay? So now you can see the 63, 63 on the sixth day. 6 days, so the height same for both plant. So you can say 6th day of measuring. 6th day of measuring the plant height same. 1, 2nd day, 3rd day, 4th day, 5th day, and 6th day. After 6 days. So you can write here on which day will the two plants with the same height? 6th. 6. Measuring. How tall were then they? So it's simple, 63 centimeter. So we write here 63 centimeter. Both plants 63 centimeter. Let's move to the next question. Orchard. The fruit trees are grown in a variety of shapes, mainly to encourage more fruit to grow. The shapes of fruit tree can be changing by cutting or punching. The pyramid shape allow tree to be planted close together. A standard shape. This is a standard shape. This is a pyramid shape, and this is a bush shape. Use this table to find the answer to the questions. You can see here a table. The orchard is 20 meter wide and 30 meter long. 20 meter wide and 30 meter long. So it's mean 600 m squared, the orchard. So how many bush trees, how many pyramid tree or standard tree could be planted? How many bush tree can be planted? How many pyramid tree can be planted in the orchard? So it's very easy. About bush tree, you can choose any one and then divide it with the 600. So it's coming 24. So we write here 24. And let me move up so you can easily see. 24. After this Parametry, sum method 171. If you divide, you're using 600. Okay, this is the total m squared, the total area for orchard, long and width. 20 multiplied by 30, it's coming 600. 600 m squared. This is the area for the orchard. So every time you need to divide with bush tree, parametry, and or standard tree. So if you divide with standard, it's coming 8. So what is the heaviest weight of apples per year that you could expect if all the tree are bush tree? If all the tree are bush tree. So what is the heaviest weight of apple per year that you would expect if all the trees are bush tree? So 24. 24 multiplied by the less weight for apples. 24 multiplied by 25, it's coming. Let's multiply it and check. So bush tree, what is the heaviest? So we are not choosing the lightweight. Sorry, this is the lightweight. For apple, we need to choose the heaviest weight. If we are using bush tree, so 50 kg. 50 multiplied by 24. 50 multiplied by 24. So let's multiply 50 multiplied by 24. So 4 multiplied by 0, 0, 4 multiplied by 5, 20, and 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So it's coming 1200. Yes, 1200. So it's coming 1200. So we write here 1200 for bush tree. So if you are using bush tree, so it is coming 1200. The heaviest weight of apple per year for bush tree, it's 1200. So we get 1200 kg for 1 year. 1200 kg for 1 year of apples. And same like this parametry 171. 171 multiply with which number? Multiply with 7. Okay, the highest weight. 7 multiplied by 171. 7 multiplied by 171. So it is coming 1100. Yes, 1197. You can calculate it. And standard 3, 8 multiplied by 200. Yes, the highest weight. If you're using standard tree, so how much we get? How much kg we got? It's coming 8 2 times 16, 1600 kg. So 1600 kg. Yes. So bushes tree we got 1200, parametry 1197, and standard tree 1600 kg. What is the lightest weight? No, the same method and multiplying with the lightest weight of pear tree. Where are the pear tree? This one, and lightweight this one. So we need to multiply with these. So bush tree we need to multiply 24 multiply by 20. So it's coming 24 multiplied by 20. It's coming 480. You can also calculate it, or let me calculate. 24 multiplied by 20. We bring 20 0 here, so make it easy for multiplication. Okay, 2 multiply 0, 0, 2 4 times 8, and 2 2 times 480. Just I bring the 0 of 20 with 24, so no need to multiply 2 times. Okay, so 480. So if we multiply 24 with 20, it's coming 480. So how many bush tree you got bears 480 kg in 1 year. And same like this, if you're multiplying 171, you need to multiply 171 with the 171 multiply by 3. Yes, the light weight. So it's coming 513. 513. So we write here 513 kgs. Same like this, and it's coming 320 if you multiply with the light weight. So after this, question number 4: if the orchard was twice as long, would you get twice the weight of fruit? Obviously yes. If the orchard was twice, double, so you will get twice. Obviously it's true, because the number of tree per row also double. If the orchard was twice as wide, same like this, you also say yes, because it's also longer, no wide, it's a row increasing. So yes, because of the number of row has been double. If the orchard was twice as long and twice as wide, how many times more weight is coming? Okay, if the if the orchard was part C, question number 4. If the orchard was twice as long as and twice as big, how many times more weight of fruit? So obviously, if twice long and twice width, so 2 plus 2, so 4 times. So how many times more weight of fruit? 4 times. So it's not double, it's double plus double, 2 plus 2, 4 times. Okay. Question 5: which tree would you choose? Why? If you wrote all the answers, so it's upon you. Which tree is better? Which shape of tree is better? Pyramid, standard, or bush tree? Or which apples or pear? Which one is better? You write complete or not. You complete this all questions. So this is learner answer. Which tree would you choose? Next topic: how much fruits? You have just bought 10 trees. You want to plant them in 5 straight lines. How are you going to do it? So we have just 10 trees and we arrange them in 5 straight lines. So let's do it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are 5 straight lines. Okay, now we put them in one row. There are how many trees? 1, just I change the color so you can see easily. Okay, 1 tree here, 1 tree here, 1 here, and here, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here, and 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and also 4. Now you can see in each line we have 4 trees. Yeah, it's like this 20, but actually we are counting 1 tree. This mostly the center tree more than 1 time. Okay, so there are actually 10 trees. We bought only 10 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 trees, but we arrange like this. So in one line it's coming 4, and more than 1 we are counting some trees. So there should be 4 trees in one line and 5 straight lines. So you can see it 1, 2, 3, 4 in one line. and there are 5 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So question number 1. Farmer Joy kept records of his fruit tree over 4 years. This is what he found. Tree 1, tree 2, tree 3. Okay, tree 1, the color for pear, the green color, it's represent pears fruit, orange fruit, and apple. Red one, apple fruit, orange fruit. So on vertical lines, it's showing us about kg, yield per kg, and on horizontal line, it's telling us about years. So there are 4 years. So the question, let's start. Which tree give the most fruit in the first year? In the first year. These are records for 4 years. So which fruit in the first year give the most result? So let's start from red one. Only first year. This is the first year. This is the first year. First year. Okay. So first year, red one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first year, the red apples, 12. Okay, 12 kg. And what about oranges? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 oranges. And what about pears? The boxes of pears, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So which one is more? The question we have here, which tree give the most fruit? So you can see here, which tree give the most fruit? Oranges. Orange tree give the most fruit. So we write here, orange tree. Which tree give the most fruit in the first year? Orange tree. Which tree give the most fruit in the third year? Even you cannot calculate, so you can assume which one is the more color. Now we are talking about the third year. In the third year, which tree give the most result? So in the third year, this is the third year. Third year, and third year. You can see the red one. Yeah, it's more than other. More than other. The orange one, here available but not here, and here little bit. So orange, we cannot say the orange one. And green one or pears, it's not showing the proper result, not showing a good result. So we can say in the third year, which tree give the most fruit? Apples tree. Which tree give the most fruit? Apples tree. And which tree give the most fruit over 4 years? Over 4 years. Also apple tree, you can see mostly area, mostly boxes covered with the red one. Mostly as compared to red and pear. So first one is the red color, mean apples giving the more fruits, apple trees. The second one oranges, and the third one pears. Pear little bit, you cannot see the more result. So overall 4 years, which tree give the fruits? So let's apples, sorry. So oranges for the first one. And which tree give the most fruit in the third year? Apple. Which tree give the most fruit over 4 years? Also apple, as we see them mostly red color. Which tree give the least fruit over the year? Pear, not giving a good result. Pear tree. Okay. Which two trees should Farmer Joy kept, and which two should to get rid of? Okay, you need to kept orange and apple because giving the good result as compared to pear, apple and oranges. What about get rid of or take out? No need to cultivate for pears tree, not giving a good result overall. Overall 4 years. Farmer Joy collected all the fruit ready to be sold in the shop. Okay, look at the scale. How much does each lot of fruit weigh in kilo and gram? So this one you can see here, and we need to change into kilo. 1 kg, 1 kg or 1 kilo. We are saying 1 kilo equal to 1000 gram. So here are 2500 grams. So you can say here bag 1 equal to 2.5 kg or 2.50 kilogram. 2.5 kg or 2.50 kilogram. Same like this. This is bag B. Bag B. This is 1030, and we need to count it. If this is 40, this is 30. It means this each bar represent 1. So this 30, 31, 32. So 1032 here. 1032. 1032 equal to 1 kg. 1 kg and 1 kilo, and I write it like this: 1.3 to 1 kg 32 grams. Okay, you can write also like this, and you can also like this 1 kilo 32 grams. You can also like this 1 kilo 32 grams, or you can also write this 1.32 kg. Both correct. How much does each bag weight in grams? Now we need to change in grams. So 1 kilo equal 1000. It is 2.5 kg. So it means 2500 gram. You write grams or only G? Both correct. And bag D, it is a 2000, because 2 kg equal to 2000, but it's little bit forward. 2000 until here 2000, but it's more. Okay, once we need to calculate before we need to write anything. We need to calculate. This is 1 2 3 4 5. So 1000 divided by 5 is equal to 200. So this red line, it means this gap, it's equal to 200. So 2200. So 2200 grams. So we write here bag D equal to 2200 gram. It's easy if you know about 1 kg equal to what? 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Like this, 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Okay, round the weight of the bag to the nearest kilo. This 1.7 kg. So it's near to 2, because if after the point, if the digit, it's bigger than 5. If less than 5, we are choosing the small one. But if bigger than 5, we choose the bigger option, or nearest the bigger option. So 1.7, it's nearest to 2. So we can write here 2 kg. You can write here 2. So bag E, it's nearest to 2 kilogram or 2 kilo, you can write. And this one is a 90s, so it's nearest to 1 kg or 1 kilo. Next question about meter, centimeter, and millimeter. First, you know the rules. One centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 meter, it's equal 100 centimeter. Okay, So just we are using this to 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So let's start to solve. The question is here, a farmer plants some young fruit tree. Write the weight and height of each tree in meter, centimeter and millimeter. So first thing which available here, this is about this, I think centimeter, yeah. Okay. Yeah, these are centimeters. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 95. So 95. So right here 95 centimeters. This is 95 centimeters. But in the question, it's asking about meter and centimeter, millimeter also. It's very easy because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 95 centimeter, 95 centimeter, just put 10, 950 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 95 centimeter equal to 950 millimeter. And now change into meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, but it is less than 100. This complete scale equal to 1 meter, so it is less than 1 meter. So we write here 0 point because less than 100. So 0.95 meter. 0.95 meter. Done. 95 centimeter, 950 millimeter and 0.95 meter. Same like this, the second part and third part we are doing. First we need to calculate. This is 60. So 1, 2, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 67 centimeter. After 65 centimeter, 67 centimeter, 10 into millimeter. So 670. Just multiply by 10 because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 67 multiply 10, 670 millimeter and 0.67 meter. And the 3C also you can measure with the same rule. The next part, number job. Put the number in order. Put the number in each jar in order. Start with the smallest. To the first one. If you want to arrange from the smallest to the largest, these are all number 3 digits. So it's mean hundreds. So this is 800, bigger one. 700, bigger. 600. So we have 2 numbers now. So from these two, we need to choose the smallest one, 87 or 78. 78 is the smallest one, and then the second smallest, 687. Now 600 finish. After this 700. 700, we have 2 numbers, 86 or 68. This is the smallest one, so 3, and this is the 4th one. And after this 800. 800, both 800. So this is 76 and 67. So which is smallest from these two? This is the 5th one and this one 6. So like this we can arrange from smallest to the largest. Same like this we are doing the second part. Second part you can do by yourself using the same method. I'm doing just one more. Here you can see all 3-digit number, mean all's about hundreds. So which is the smallest? 400, 400, 300, 300, 200, 200. These two. Same like question 1 part 1. 234, 243. Leave 200. 34, 43. Which is smaller? Smallest? 34 smallest. And 43 the second smallest. 200 finish. Next 300, 300, 300. Both 300 we underline, skip 300. Now 24, 42. Which one smallest, 24 or 42? Obviously 24 smallest, and 42 the fourth smallest number in this jar. Okay, after this 400, skip 400, 32, 23. Which is smallest? 23 is the smallest one, and this is the sixth one. Like this, we are solving these question from smallest to the largest. Let's move to the next part. Now put these numbers from start with the largest. In order to start with the largest, the same thing we are doing, but now we are starting from the biggest one. So all hundreds, so all numbers about 100. So 400, 100, 100, 400, 400. So we are underlining the 400 three-digit number. 100 we don't underline. So now we have three numbers: 400, 400, 400. Skip 400. The first two numbers: 41, 14, 11. Which one smallest? Obviously 11 smallest as compared to 41 and 14. The second, largest number. So I will choose the largest number, not smallest. So 441, 441, 414, and 411. So skip 400 and choose the last two digits: 11, 14, and 41. 41 is the largest number, the first one. Then 14, the second largest, and 11, the third largest number. Now finish 400. Now we can start 100, 100, 100. After underline, then skip 100 and think about the last two digits: 44, 41, and 14. 41 is not bigger. This is the largest number. Fourth largest number 44, then 41, and then 14. Okay, like this, the largest number. Like this, we are doing this one and this one. Okay, same like this method. Just do one more. 500, 500, 700. Let's underline 700 because in this jar 700 is the biggest one. So 735 and 753. 53 is bigger, larger as compared to 35. So this is the second largest number. Finish 700. After this 500. Finish, skip 500. 73, 37. This is the third largest number. This is the fourth largest number. Like this. Now 300, 300. 75, it's the fifth largest number, and 57 is the sixth largest number. Next question. Write some inequality using these weight or capacities. Use add, subtract, as well as less than or greater than. Okay, copy and complete. This no need to do. This is just making equations. Inequalities equation: less than, greater than, equal. Like this is 100 plus 300 equal 400. 400 gram, it's less than 500 gram. Same like this. 750 milliliter, it's greater than 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100, 600. So obviously 750 milliliter, it's greater than 600. So like this, you're making inequalities equation. Okay, swap inequalities with a friend. No need. Question number 1: copy and complete. Write less than, greater than between the number to make the inequalities true. So 400 is less than or greater than from 2. So there is an easy shortcut. You can see a shape like this. It's like a mouth. If it's open, this side should be bigger. Okay, so first you see the number. For example, there are two numbers. This is 43 and this is 53. You see which number is bigger. When you understand this number is bigger, open the mouth this side. This number is bigger, so open mouth like this. For example, this is 3 and this is 2. Which number is bigger? 3 is bigger. Open the mouth this side. So okay, just open the mouth at this side. It means this side is bigger. If this side bigger, open the mouth other side. If this side is bigger, open the mouth, or this is the shortcut, or you can send short form, you can solve it. So in easy, 400, 200, which one is bigger? This one. So open the mouth this side, 300, 400, 400 bigger, like this. 600, 700, 700 bigger, open mouth this side. 300, 100, 300 bigger. 200 or 50, 700, 700 bigger. 600 bigger. Now you know about these signs. This is greater than 400, greater than 200, 300 less than 400, 600 less than 700, 300 greater than 100, 250 it's less than from 750, and 600 it's greater than from 200. Like this we are solving question number 1 part. Question number 2, copy and complete, write the number in the box. Also inequalities equations in the box to make the inequality true. So the number is 30 less than, this number less than 50. So you need to write any number from between these two. For example, you can write here 31, it's true. 32, 33, 34, any number until 49. I write here 49. Okay, even you can write from 31 until 49. You can write any number between these two numbers. Same like this, 100 it's greater than this number. So you need to write any number from 50 to 100, from 51 until 99. So I write here 51. I can also write 99. You can also write 89, 79, 69. From 51 until 99. So 100 it's greater than 51, and 51 is greater than 50. Same like this, 180. So between 80 until 100, from 81 until 99, you can write any number. Okay, but should be in the center between these two numbers. 70, 100, 71, 99, write any number between these two numbers. Like this, from 300 to 350, you can write any number between these two numbers. From 200 greater than, you can write any number which is greater than any number which is less than 200 and greater than from 100. So you can write 101 until 199. 199, I write this one. Okay, from 200 it's greater than 199, and 199 is greater than 100. After this, question time. Very easy. There we are using just the multiple of 10. Pencils come in pack of 10. The shop has 38 packs. How many pencils do they have? 38 multiplied by 10 equal 380. Equal 380. So just when we are multiplying with 10, when we multiply any number with 10, we just add 1 0, only 1 0 with the other number. Okay, 10 children can sit at the table. How many tables are needed for 170? 10 children can sit at the table. How many tables are needed for 170 to sit down? So 170 divided by 10. When we are dividing, we just decreasing the 0. When we are multiplying, we increase the 0. Okay, so in multiply you will see we bring this 0 here, so 380. And here in divide, we just decrease or cut this 0 with this. We don't bring this 0 here. We finish. I saw 1 0 here, so I delete it from here also. So 17. The remaining 17. So it means 17 tables needed for the children. Same like this, question number 3. Each team has 10 players, 39 teams in the tournament. How many players together? All together, 39 multiplied 10, 390. Like this, 30 multiplied 10, 300. 78 multiplied by 10, 780, but here it's written write the length in meter, so this is 780 centimeter. So after this you can write 7 meter and 80 centimeter. A spoon hold 10 milliliter of syrup. I put 13 spoonful in my cake. So how much syrup did I add? 13 multiplied by 10, 130. There are 18 bananas in each bunch. How many in 10 bunches? 18 multiplied by 10, 180. And like this, a bucket hold 10 liter. So 37, it takes 37 bucket to fill a bath. How many liter in the bath? So 37 multiplied by 10, 370 liter in the bath. There are 48 apples in a box. A shopkeeper buys 10 boxes. How many apples does he buy? 48 multiplied 10, 480. Same like this, we need 500 kg of sand. 500 kg of sand. Sand comes in 50 kg bags. It's coming in one bag equal to 50 kg. So how many bags? We need bags. How many bags? So simple, 500. Just I change the color. 500 divided by 50. Need to find about bags. So simple, 0. The first thing finish 0 with 0. Now we have 50 divided by 5. So it's easy. 5 one time, 5 10 times 50. So it's mean 10 bags. It's mean 10 bags. We can also divide like this, or another method like this. 50 divided by 500. You see in both number we have 0. First you can skip 0. Okay, you can skip 0, finish 0. Okay, 0 with 0. So now we have here only 5 divided by 50. You can see here. So 5 10 times 50. Like this we can also find. So 10. So how many bags will we need? 10 bags. A fence 76 centimeter. Okay, how tall would it be 10 times higher? 76 multiplied by 10, 760. But it's written write the height in meter. So 760 equal to 760 centimeter equal to 7 meter and 60 centimeter. Question number 12. My carrot need 90 gram of carrot. I want to make 10 cakes. So 90 multiplied by 10 equal 900. Round to the nearest 10 and 100. When we are talking about nearest 10, this should be in your mind. If the digit or number is less than for example, there is a digit 45. I want to find about nearest 10. So if the last digit, this one, last digit, less than 5, for example, maybe 0, maybe 1, 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, or maybe 4. So we are choosing the small number. Okay, we have two options. 45, it's nearest to 40 or nearest to 50. We have only two options. Okay, if you want to find nearest 10. Nearest 10 means your answer in tens. 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like this. In tens your answer. So it's nearest to 40 or 50. Obviously, if the last digit, this one, it's less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we choose the small answer. But if the last digit, it's 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are choosing the big one. So you can see here it's 45. So 45 nearest to 50. 45 nearest to 50. So this rule we are using to solve these questions. So let's start the question. The question here: round each amount to the nearest 10. So this is 1.23. This is we don't concern. 1 point we write as it is. 23. 23 nearest to 20 or 30 nearest to 20 because this is 3 less than 5. So 1.20. And same like this. This is 2 point we don't concern. 47. 47 nearest to 50. And 36 nearest to 40. Why? Because 6 it's more than 5. 97 it's nearest to 100. And 12 cent it's nearest to 10. And 67 it's nearest to 70. We are using the same rule. If less than 5 the last digit, if less than 5 the last digit, so we are choosing the small answer. We have every time two options. How we make these options? You can see the first. This is 60. Okay, this is 67. So 60 and 70 we can make two options. So this 67 it's nearest to 70. And if we have more than 3 digits, so the third one you write it as it is. Okay, no need to concern this. We are talking about tens, nearest tens. Okay, next question about nearest 100. Nearest 100. Round each amount to the nearest 100. 100. The same rule, but we are adding the 0. And less than in tens digit, I told you if the number less than 5. I told you 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are choosing the small option. But if you are finding about nearest 100, so this is not the same. So we have less than 50. If less than 50, less than 50. Okay, so we are choosing the small number. And 100, nearest 100. So if less than 50, like 49, 48, 44, 40, 30, 20, even 3, 4. Okay, but less than 50. So we are choosing the small option. We are choosing the small options. Here we can also make two options. In hundreds we make the options in hundreds. Okay, in 100 what kind of result, what kind of answer we have? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, in 100 we need to see the last two digit, not one digit. So if the last two digit less than 50, we are choosing the small on options. If more than 50, 56, 60, 70, 85, 95, 99, so we choose the big option. So this is 45. It is nearest to 0. Our answer, we are making the option like this because it's 45 less than 100. So we can make two options, 100 or 0. So it is nearest to 100 or 0. 45. We just have one rule. If less than 50, we choose a small option. It's nearest to 0. 82. Less than 50? No, more than 50. So we also have two options. 0, same like this, 0 and 1, because less than 100. So we have two options, 0 and 100. So here we can choose the big one. Why big one? Because it's bigger than 50. And like this is 193. This is now more than 100. So we have two options, 100 and 200. So 193. Just underline the last two digits and see 93. It's less than 50, not less than 50. So we choose the big option. If less than 50, we choose the small option. I hope so you understand about round up or round to the nearest 100 and 1000. Page number 50, marble estimate. A large jar hold 500 marbles. When it is full, it is 500 milliliters. So we need to calculate. It's written already how it's coming to 50 because it is the half of the jar. Half of the jar, 250 milliliters. Further we divide it, so it is 150 or 125, you can also say. So we are estimating, it's not real, we can estimate it. It is 50, it is 75, this are 400 milliliter or 450 milliliter. We are estimating. Question number 2. Now estimate the total length of the lines that make up each letter to the nearest centimeter. So this line equal to, you can use your ruler or scale on your book. But first estimate this line equal to 4. For example, this is 4 centimeter. And this one, if this is 4, this is 3. And this also 3. And this one 4. Because this line and this line equal. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 centimeter. So in total, this 14 centimeter. And same like this, this one equal to this. This is 3 plus 3. This is 6. And this line you can see here, this line equal to this one. So this is 4. So 6 plus 4, 10 centimeter. Same like this, all other part we can do it. We need to measure it. Okay, boys, take care. Inshallah, the next from 52 and the next video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.